I started thinking, what are the most common frustrations people have when using VR headsets? So today, I'll share my personal experience using the Meta Quest 3 and the main issues I've run into. First, the default head strap. It can be pretty uncomfortable. If you tighten it too much, it puts pressure on your face and eyes, and during active VR sessions, your face can start to sweat. But if you don't tighten it enough, the headset feels loose, unstable, and can even slip off. Second, battery life. During travel or long VR sessions, the battery drains pretty quickly. And if you don't want to stop and recharge, you end up dealing with cables and trying to attach a power bank somewhere, which is just inconvenient. If at least one of these problems sounds familiar, then keep watching, because I found a solution that makes VR much more enjoyable. I decided to try an accessory from ANNAPRO, the A3 Max battery pack head strap. It uses a halo-style design, which makes it lightweight and very comfortable. You can easily adjust it to fit your head perfectly. One feature I really like is the quick access to the real world. You can lift the headset slightly without taking it off completely. It also has soft padding both in the front and back, so it doesn't create pressure or discomfort, and it adapts well to different head shapes and sizes. Another big advantage, you can charge your headset while using it. The battery attaches magnetically and stays firmly in place. It has a 10,800 mAh capacity, which gives you an additional 3 to 4 hours of usage, depending on how intensively you use it. And even during active gameplay or when you're lying down watching movies, it stays secure and doesn't get in the way. There's also a nice bonus. Even though it's designed for a VR headset, you can use this battery to charge your other devices as well. Hopefully this video was helpful and gave you a better idea of how to improve your VR experience. Let me know in the comments, what issues do you have with VR headsets and how did you solve them?
And get 15% discount to buy ANNAPRO accessories.